Alright, so here's the deal. This is what we're going to cook today. We're going to get some pistachio crusted fish, some zucchini, some squash, some mixed vegetables like peppers and jalapenos and onions. And we're going to make it happen. Throw some jasmine rice in on it. This is what I do with the fish a lot of times that I get ready to eat. So my mom asked me today what I was going to eat. And she has never heard of putting mustard on fish, which blew my mind because that's where I came from. But I've been doing this over 20 years. So I'm not going to go through the whole process of showing you guys the cooking. I'm going to show you the ingredients that I've already prepared and do little snippets to show you the aftershocks. And I'm talking to my sister. I'm talking to my mom. Anybody else that's looking? Oh well, UNLIKEU presents. This is your fresh caught bass and crappie. Fresh corn. I have it in a bag, already taken off of the stock. This is gonna be my squash. That's my zucchini. That's my shrimp. That's some seasoning. This is the pistachios, already grounded up in a Ziploc bag. You're gonna need some lemon. You're gonna need some butter because I'm gonna make a sauce. The almond flour. The almond flour or some type of flour is gonna be the bonding agent to where I try to keep the nuts from coming off of the fish. This is going to be your mustard. I also put an egg in this mustard for the very first time. So we're gonna see if we can get it to stick a little bit better. Let's make it happen. Heating up the stove, heating up the skillet. Get your shrimp going, your vegetables going. This is where your squash, peppers, onions, get all this stuff going, getting it right. Let that start sauteing up. Let your shrimp get ready. Get ready to throw in your corn. Now, I can't speak for everybody, but I enjoy corn. So, if you don't like corn, you don't have to put that in your dish. But, we're almost done. Now, me, I like to turn my shrimp one time. So, when it becomes opaque on one side, I like to flip it. My corn, I like to add jalapenos to it. My other vegetables, I eat them for 1 or 2 days, adding it to fish, eggs, different things. So I make more of that normally than what I normally would do. Now, I like my squash, my zucchini to get a char to it. So you cook your food or you want to cook your food, what may look burned to you is nowhere near burned to me. I like a char. If none of my fried or, grilled food can have a char to it or barbecue, I won't eat it. Look at that. Squashes never look so good. So, I'm moving along. I'm doing my thing. I do not have to show you what I'm about to show you. But sometimes in the kitchen you have to call an audible. And I have to call an audible. I got some fish, and I should have cleaned it 2 days after keeping it on ice. And I kind of kept putting it on ice and kept putting it on ice. And I went a little longer than what I needed to. I'm going to show you when you know you got some bad fish. And you can only find out when you thaw the fish out to room temperature. Look at this. While the fish is sitting here, see these dots? These dots, that's not seasoning. The fish has these dots coming on it. These dots are the indicator that the fish is not as fresh, and I'm gonna say that it's bad. So, seeing that I got a freezer full of fish, I'm gonna take the fish out and takes less than 10 minutes because I know how to unthaw it. You take your fish, and what you do is you freeze your fish in water. So when you freeze your fish in Ziploc bags and you put it in water, you can thaw it out in less than 10 minutes with running cold water on it. And for me, I got a freezer full of fish. So I'm just gonna call a quick audible and grab a bag here that is from 517, and we finna get it back cooking. So all you do now, cook them in the skillet, let it sear on the pecan side, or excuse me, pistachio side. Once that happens, pop it in a 400-degree oven, 5 minutes. So here are the end results. This is your pistachio crusted fish, rice, shrimp, zucchini, squash, butter sauce. It's finna be delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. Here you go, Mom. I miss you, Dad. Voila. Fish, shrimp, zucchini, squash, corn with jalapenos in it. Delicious. Rice with peppers. Well, end result. I have a motto, and that motto is, you can eat like regular people, or you can feast like royalty. Cook your own food. You get a lot more for your money. Let's eat.